Hello, woodworking wizards and DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of precision and craftsmanship with top 5 benchtop thickness planer reviews in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or just starting your woodworking journey, these tools are game changers. Find direct links to these planer marvels in the description below. If you're ready to level up your woodworking game, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Let's plane our way to perfection with top 5 benchtop thickness planer reviews in 2024. Starting at number 5, Kotamy Electric Wood Thicknesser Planer. Kotamy's Electric Wood Thicknesser Planer is a robust tool for woodworking tasks. With a 2,000-watt motor, aluminum casting base material, and a planing width of 330 millimeters, it's well suited for various applications. The 8,000 revolutions per minute no-load speed ensures efficient planing. The planer offers precision with a planing height of 160 millimeters and single planing depth of 13 millimeters. Weighing 34 kilograms, it strikes a balance between stability and portability. For woodworkers who prioritize power and precision, Kotamy's Thicknesser Planer is a solid choice. At number 4, VEVE Thickness Planer 12.5-inch Wood Planer. VEVE's Thickness Planer is a robust woodworking companion. Driven by a 15-amp 2,000-watt motor, it operates at a blade speed of 8,000 revolutions per minute and a feeding speed of 236 min. The double cutter blades, subjected to a meticulous homing process, ensure sharp and straight cutting edges. What makes this planer stand out is its heavy-duty stand, providing strong fixation, and the dust exhaust interface that connects to dust collectors for a tidy workspace. The infeed and outfeed tables, made of stainless steel and metal, contribute to a smooth wood processing procedure. With safety precautions like the power-off protection electromagnetic switch, VEVE's Thickness Planer guarantees stability, reliability, and an extended service life. At number 3, Luxer 2,000-watt 13-inch Electric Wood Thicknesser Planer. Luxer's 2,000-watt 13-inch Electric Wood Thicknesser Planer is a reliable solution for woodworkers. With a 2,000-watt power, it offers efficient planing with a maximum width of 330 millimeters and a height of 160 millimeters. Weighing 28 kilograms, it strikes a balance between power and portability. This planer is designed for practicality and ease of use. The 8,000 R/min no-load speed ensures a swift operation, and the 6 meters feed speed adds to its efficiency. For woodworkers looking for a straightforward and effective thicknesser planer, Luxer's offering is a strong contender. At number 2, VEVE 12-inch Wood Planer. VEVE's 12-inch wood planer is a game changer for those working with old, weathered wood. The 2,000-watt motor ensures efficient shaping, and with a feed rate of 236 min, it delivers a smooth finish. The planer's stability is commendable, thanks to its extra heavy-duty iron stand. This planer isn't just about power, it's user-friendly too. The foldable workbench and stand make it versatile and space-saving. It features a dust exhaust interface for connecting to a dust collector, ensuring a clean and healthy working environment. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional woodworker, VEVE's planer is hassle-free and efficient. At number 1, Luxer Multifunctional Woodworking Pressure Planer. Luxer's Multifunctional Woodworking Pressure Planer is a powerhouse in the woodworking domain. With a potent 2,000-watt 2,200-watt motor, it boasts high rotational speed and core strength output, ensuring efficiency in planing. The quick chip removal and 3-blade linkage make it a versatile tool for various woodworking tasks. This planer excels in precision with a straight knife, and the fan-assisted rapid discharge of wood chips maintains a clean work area. The dual-speed adjustment allows for flexibility in handling different materials. The automatic 4-pillar and bracket lock system ensures stable operation without jamming. Weighing 45 kilograms, it's robust and reliable, offering complete cutting solutions. Ideal for professional woodworkers and enthusiasts, Luxer's planer combines power, precision, and stability for a seamless woodworking experience. Thank you for watching our product review video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations.